Alrighty, welcome guys to this lecture, and let's do some texturing on the nails. Let me just save this file, and so don't forget to save, guys. Let's do some texturing on the nails over here, and we're gonna be using the same process. So please follow along if you guys never understood the previous lectures. What I'll do: select the front nails and go to the UV, the object data properties, create another UV map. Sweet, have that selected, and I'm gonna press Shift H to isolate it. And what I'll do, I would want to delete all of these guys. We'll just do a copy of them. So what I'll do, press Tab to enter edit mode, press L to select, just deselect, press L to select the entire isolated nails, press X to use vertices, and that's that. Now pressing Tab, go back to that, and so the open point is over here. Let's remove it back here for now. Set origin to geometry. Yeah, perfect. And then now we want to let's hide the mirror modifier for now. Now we'll snap to the right side. Cool, it will look nice. And I'm gonna go to the right side, snap that. Come on, let's do this. It's giving me problems when I'm snapping here. Yeah. Right orthographic view, zoom in, drag our reference image. These images will be available and for you guys to use, so don't stress. Basically just got them online and just painted them a bit, just created them like that, the wireframe, and to not G, undo that, and then select this guy, G to move him inward, S to scale him up a bit, and R to undo it. Next, S to scale. And then I'm gonna select the mesh, this tab. I'm just gonna realign it with the overall shape of the texture, like so. Scale it down a bit. Let's just scale. So these guys, I'm gonna scale them up, down. We can change this at the later stage, just for now when we're doing the projection. Kind of have to just make sure that everything is it aligns perfectly well. Scale this guy up. Okay. And let's get him up now, like that, so it roughly aligns with the texture. Right, sweet. Go back to side mode, and I'm gonna go to Ctrl S, go to UV editing. Where you at? Sweet, gotcha. Press A to select every faces, and I'm gonna go press U and press project from view. Yep. Then I'm gonna select everything from here. Press L, press S to scale it up. Just that it covers almost the entire space that we have there. Let's not lose any resolution, please. Somewhere around these lines. Just pack it inside there. Sweet. Then after doing that, create Control S again. Go to texture painting. Yep. And then locate our guy. We'll probably go to object mode and delete our reference from here. And then go back to texture painting, select our guy. Now it doesn't have a texture, so we need to create a texture, which is fairly simple. Go to the whatever, change it to texture painting, then go down, no texture, so create a new texture. Go to base color, front nail base color, sounds perfect. And then I'm just gonna make it a bit black. Press OK. Should apply it. Sweet. And then I can change it over here to nails. Let's talk about it. Where you at? Front nails base color. Sweet. Now I'm gonna snap it to the right side again, and we're gonna use the stencil. Come over here, press N, go to tools, change this to paint, not view. Now change this to completely white, and then create a new texture. Select the texture, which is the nails, and go back over here, image aspect ratio. Stencil is already checked. Now right mouse click to move it around, and shift to scale it with right mouse, and with control I can rotate it around. So I'm just gonna move it around like that, roughly. Let's just see if I paint. So the opacity is very low. The strength, I mean, so that turn it up to 1. So there's something wrong over here. It's not painting well. It's not updating. Oh yeah, switch to basic so I can't see. Just gonna move it a bit. Paint again. Something around these lines. Delete this fella. And obviously we have these pinching going on. So we're gonna use the clone stem brush. Select the clone stem brush, and to color pick, press F. I'm going to decrease the size, brush size. Color pick, press Control. Just choose from that side and roughly giving it on this side. Adrian, not too much. Somewhere around these lines. And then the bottom, same process. Just give it the same texture. Yeah, because of the projection, it doesn't do, but it speeds up the process a lot. Just imagine. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to my paintbrush and go to the tools, take the color picker, color pick this fella, and dial down the strength 0.2. Okay, what happened to this guy now? Turn off texture. Come on, Adrian, what's wrong with you today? Sweet. Yeah, just give it a darker colors at the edge there. So the blackness just mixes with the texture, and where there's a pinching going on, I'm just gonna add this, so it kind of mixes with the color that we already have. Coming on top also, just gonna do that, not too much, just for us to get there. And we are, it's not gonna be visible, but then I'm just a picky man and I like it like that. Again, using a mouse to do this texturing, it works, nothing bad about that. And then we have our nail. Go back to the save as texture, image, save, and press this, save that. Just make sure if, under file, you actually packing your resources. Press Ctrl S, save it again. Go back to layout. I'm gonna unhide everything. Alt or Option H. Hide the high party. Sorry, my friend, we don't need it right now. Now we have one nail shine, which is very tiny, and I'm just gonna move it. No, not you. Almost so grab the nail and go to sculpt mode. Press I for inflate. ZBrush. Control to do the other side. I'm just inflating this now. Oh my soul. Just doing that, and I'm gonna rotate. Press R to rotate. And just use the grab brush. Like that. Top view, or I'm gonna rotate it. Go back to remove. Move it somewhere here. Push it a bit inwards. Like that. Like so. Okay, Shift V. Back to object mode. Shift D. R to rotate a bit. Push him inwards. Shift D. R to rotate. And then Shift D. Probably have to scale this one down. Press S to scale, not too much, Adrian. Press G to grab it. Just move it upwards. Then just put it inside there, roughly aligning it, something like that. And then obviously rotate. Press R to rotate that guy, like so. And I'm gonna select this one, move it a bit to the side. Ctrl J to join everything together, and that's our front nails. Everything is joined now. These are front nails. Let's see how it looks. So it doesn't show you because we need to tell Blender to use the other UV map. Again, the same process, go to shading, and come over here to the texture, drag this UV map, select the next UV. Isn't that cool? Now we have that. It is updated. There's our nails. Super cool. Now the fun part is just do a copy and send these two over here. I could create an instant, but there is no need. I can just do a copy of these guys. So the back nails, I can delete X, grab these guys, Shift D, move them to the back, snap that to the side view, top view. I'm just gonna hide the shading for now. G somewhere on these lines. Now we have to move them individually, which is not a problem at all. Enter, tab, edit mode, select one, and then just press G, move it inside. Not too much, press G, not too much, Adrian, come on. And then deselect that guy, select this guy, press L on your keyboard, and I'm just gonna push this one inwards a tad. R2 rotate it, tail, and deselected this one, and just move it inwards like so. G to grab him. Probably just go down a bit like so. Then select this guy. G. And then just move it inward. And looks about right. Press tab to exit in edit mode. Not bad, but bad. Grab everything, just push it inside. Something like that. So we have our nails, and they are done. I can rename them. Double tap and then just say, just for housekeeping, yeah, back nails, which sounds very nice. And then that's done. So we're done texturing the back nails. Also, if you look at that, isn't that very nice? We just textured one of them and then it's just really applied that. So again, thank you guys for your time, and I'll see you guys in the next one.